Pastor Namuganza yaja. Twalonde chairperson Simon Menya yaja. Twalonde cha secretary General Secretary. Ebifo ebiri vice chairperson information betutalonda. Olwokwekalakasa kwe baana kubuzindaalo. Aye nga twalonda.
Kati mwagala ki mweka?
Ffe twenda batubuge lunaku tujje tulonde ebifo ebibiri bye tutalonda. Etuli kwenda byonka lunaku tulonde ebifo ebibiri bye bitalondebwa.
Baile moita ero kwegana obwe tubanga tantala ali tukubirizie nje kwa timbona lwaje tuli kwa sisi ale tubanga tuletele mitu odokita baile ferekiria menya and Mariam mwabe mwakulinge mutu he position o Mariam no menya bakoma akaisi ko yongere okutesha eje cyaba kigayine emiti je koma tugane kwetwalagana mwana bigambo tumala kumaliria ishi yamenya na Mariam many tukwata kuya fight twaba kuya secretary twabeleka tutambula ali kukoba yalangula akalulu yejo tina jo ona lebo Mariamu gaidye gano yetondere tango doyi atenga ife tuli kwenda gano ngabana bende iwe bayiro mukono tyama
You have no authority. You have no authority.
I'm going to write it. I'm going to do what he fears, because since this matter started, he has been one-sided. You get it? Even we were in a meeting, he was speaking to her, and she put him on loud, which something which undermined the officers, the officials he sent on ground, Dr. Twehe. So it's not straight, it's just there. That's like someone who has already taken a position. But the people who the Mutumba already, they spoke louder, they are going to speak louder and louder. And that's why people wanted to demonstrate, if it means living anywhere, because this woman, the boy warned her. The boy warned her with overwhelming vote. She has been there now, selling people in hotels, trying to keep them. I think citing that, knowing that Dr. Tana is going to say that repeat, so that she gets people from the hotels on the money she's using, sent by a little bomb. This is not going wakati kutoa kijana mpaka aleta amani na kushika cha kijana leo naisa president ibintu bimu bingira mu ana chukoze na mutumba abakwana na sawa zino tuzibagamba akaba na ronda bamba
mugumpipi we uri rotia sawa zino ngamazo kutazama buwanguzi bwo
sawa zino umuntu ngabo manyi akalo kalina
tweyanziza abanamawulire twidde wano ng'abantu b'Namutumba nga twataayo okwemulugunya kwaffe eri ebifo ebitalondebwa mu bulambulukufu kulonda tukwaliwo ate registra n'akozesa mandeeti ye okuwa abantu byala forms ate nga byomu yali ebintu ebifo byalondebwa. So olwaleero lwe twidde wano mu butongole okuwuliriza ensonga daife tulina okwebaza chairperson Electoral Commission NRM Dr. Tango Doy nti bwawuliriisa enduyi dombi yatusindika tujje tuve n'okwekaanya kubanga mubutuufu okulonda tikwaliwo okwekaanya bwe kulobye yatekinga decision nga chairperson Electoral Commission ya NRM yakoba nti abo bairemu ofiisi eyo status quo esigale ng'egemerera ofiisi eyo kubanga tuzirabise era saawa eno already nomination z'ebifo ebindi biri kutandika wiki eri kwida kyetusanukire eino era atusuubiza nti kuva wano nga tugire ne ebbaluwa ng'owekitiibwa Siraj Busongwere abaire chairperson wa NRM ate era nigwayiziza mu ofiisi eyo ni status quo nga bwebaire mbaire general secretary owekitiibwa Francis abaire treasurer n'abandi tusigale nga tugemerera ofiisi eno tutandika okulondesa ebifo ebiri kwidda mu maiso aidatu olunaku mu maiso awo tusobola okuba n'okulondesa structure empya mu ofiisi. Tulina abantu emitwalo twatwala 3 abalonzi. Delegation gye twalina yali erina okulonda structures y'abantu 6. So tosobola kugamba nti abantu 6 bategeeza ground. 2, akalulu kano singa baali bakalondesezza mu bulambulukufu badelegate abatuufu ne balondebwa kubanga badelegate baatuuka ssaawa 4, registra ne yeekunya paka ssaawa 11. Abaliko obulemu abakadde ne batambula ne bagenda. Ate ekifo kye yateekamu tekyali fenced, abantu bonna ne bayingira. So omutiitiizi yenna yasobola okugaana okudda mu kalulu. Naye nga bw'oba olina mandate era ffe kitulese wano kugamba nti tudere ku ground tukole ki? Tulonde. Omuntu atalina ground tasobola kugamba nti tudere ku ground. Ffe ground tugirina pate ya NRM nnene okusinga ffe ffenna.